This is Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Diamond Vanity Makeup, and if you haven't already, please like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Diamond Vanity Makeup on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. And also on Instagram, I'm Diamond Vanity MUA. So usually we do makeup tutorials, but occasionally we do wig reviews. So I wear human wigs and synthetic wigs. So I know this one has been reviewed a lot on YouTube, but it's my first time purchasing it. So I wanted to review it for myself. So this is the Freetress Equal. So this is the 5-inch lace part in Valentino. So I got the color FF Hot Cocoa, and so we're gonna go ahead and take this out the package and see what this is looking like. From what I saw in the other videos, I see you have to do like a little bit of tweaking to it, which I don't mind, because usually that's what you do have to do to some of the synthetic wigs. I'm going to be taking some pictures later, so I'm just going to put this on to see how it looks. If I like it, I'll wear it for the next shoot or the video. If not, I'll put one of my other ones on. But we're going to go ahead and take this out. So I got mine from Amazon because I'm impatient, so I want stuff like the next day. This wig usually retails for, I think, like $20, $20 to $25, but I paid $39.99 with my Prime account, but I got it the next day. I ordered it on a Sunday, and then I got it on Monday. Okay, so this is how it looks fresh out the box. I do like the parting space on it. Now see, it came with a little bit of baby hairs, which I'm gonna go ahead and cut off. Some people like baby hairs. I don't. Even in my human hair wigs, I don't separate or make baby hairs. If you do, that's fine. It does look great on some people. That's not something I've mastered yet, or something that I want to master. But you know, this review is how I wear my wigs. You guys feel free to wear yours however you like. I was looking for my scissors, but can't find them. Okay, so this is the parting space. So you do get a lot of parting space, and it's 5 inches. Now it does look kind of natural, but I'm still gonna do some tweaking to it. So I like the blonde that's in the front, and even though it is synthetic, it does feel really soft. What I like is that it's not super shiny like most synthetic wigs are. So it does come with 2 combs in the front, which I'm going to keep the combs in because I don't have my hair braided down under here like I usually do. So it comes with elastic bands. I'm going to kind of tighten them a little bit, mainly because my hair is not braided down like how it should be. I have it in the 4 little plaits, my little color purple Miss Steely plaits. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna snap that in that first hook right there. So this is where I have mine snapped at. And so this little area here, like these little baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off. Get my scissors. And like I said, if you wear baby hairs, do what works for you. I never knock anybody with how they wear their wigs or their hair. This is just not something that I like to do, so that's why I'm cutting mine off. So I'm gonna take my Annie brush. This, in my opinion, this is the best wig brush. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I'm just gonna brush it through. Okay. I usually wear like lighter wig caps, but I couldn't find one. So this is why I said I had my hair in my little Miss Sealy plaits. So I'm gonna take this one because I'm going to I'm gonna put a little concealer in that part anyway, but I'm gonna put it on first just to see how it looks. Go ahead and make sure that comb is secure. I do like the way it feels. Now I have a big head, so I do like that it is big head friendly. And I'm just securing. I secured the comb at the end. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is real pretty. Oh, now you, wait a minute now. Y'all wasn't lying when y'all said this is a nice wig. Now, even though I paid $39 for it, and it's $20 on other sites, I'm not complaining because this is nice. Oh, I like the way it looks. And it's really full to be a synthetic wig. Let me brush this through. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. I like this a lot. Okay, now I am gonna put a little bit of concealer right here. So I'm gonna pop this off. And I'll add the concealer. Okay, I'm gonna take the LA Pro Girl concealer, and this is in the color Toffee. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. I shouldn't need more than that, but if I do, I'll put some more. So I'm gonna take just like a little e.l.f. brush. You can use like an angle brush or whatever you like. I see how that's looking a little bit more natural. I used to use Fawn, but Fawn was just a tad bit too light. I'm not gonna pluck or tweeze or none of that. I know a lot of people do, and it does look nice, but to be honest, I'm not gonna do all that with no synthetic wig. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer down this parting space. Add a little bit. Okay, well, I guess I'm lying. I guess I am gonna pluck some. I'll take that back. I see how that's starting to look a little bit more like scalp. I see how that looks a little bit better. It looks like a little bit more natural. Okay, so let me readjust my wig cap. I see that looks a little bit more natural. I'm just gonna brush it out again. I ran out of mousse because that's what I usually put at the top, just to kind of control the little flyaways. But I have some spritz. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna spritz the comb. Oh. Well, if we can get it to come out. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the comb area. I guess that's my cue. I need a new spray bottle. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that comb and spritzing the comb just helps calm down those flyaways. I usually use mousse, but like I said, I'm out of it. Oh, I really like this wig. bring all of it to the front. Honey, I done went from basic to baddie in 2.2 seconds. Yeah, I definitely like this wig. I'm probably gonna get some other colors too, just to see how the other ones look. Let me see how this looks as a side part. Hold on one second. You can even like wear this as a really cute side part, but I think I like it better in the middle. So I'm gonna keep it in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it in the middle. That's really pretty. Yeah, well, ladies, gents, okay, my verdict is in. I really like this wig. I think this would be cute on anybody. It does come in 3 other colors. Well, on Amazon it came in, I think, maybe 5 other colors, but the one I got, this one is FF Hot Cocoa. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the 4B or 2B12. This one is really pretty. But if you guys have tried this wig, tell me how you like it. I give it like 10 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, 10 fingers, or whatever. I like the wig, and y'all let me know if y'all did any new type of styling tricks with this, or if it's any other wigs you want me to try out and see how you guys like this one. All right, ladies, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. Ladies and gents, thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. All right, bye.